Looking for tips about investing? Try these ideas. Often people have thought about investing, but do not, due to a perceived difficulty involved with doing so. Investing isn't as hard as many people realize, but there are some things that must be kept in mind before diving into the stock market. You'll see what they are when you read the following video. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Be prepared to keep the stocks long term. If you only intend to hold on to the stocks for a short amount of time, be prepared for a lot of volatility. The market is extremely difficult to predict in the short term, and you may end up selling the stocks at the wrong time. Holding on to them for the long term is the best way to ensure a profit. When beginning and investing in the stock market, be sure to not invest too much. Many people make the mistake of putting all of their money into the stock market and end up losing it all. Set limits to the amount you are willing to gamble on, and no matter what, do not go over this limit. After watching this video, you should see that it isn't that hard to invest, but it does require a little information to ensure that you don't make any mistakes that will result in money loss or even worse, an extremely short run as an investor. Just keep this video in mind and you'll be fine. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.